Thukuru wa imwana wa St Anthony kuma Kitale monanirie mayu mao gabira-ini ka maguru na kugutha thukuru wa Girgir kuma Samburu na bao 6-1 na ukapenguria makoro makihotwo ni Wareng na bao 2-1 ona thegi ya gukorwo ni njorua cia bitika cia Chapadimba mwaka muthiru. Mwena wa Nyarari thukuru wa Wiyeta wayukia uhotani magithaka na Kapcherop kuma Elgeyo Marakwet na bao 2-0. Betika ici na iria cikuruanitie timu kuma kaunti 14 ikaigira ikerekaria quarter final muthi wa rucio. Hindio iyo kirafu gia Zoo FC gigubataraga bao ya muthaki Bernard Odhiambo niguo kumatha pointi 3 magithaka na kirafu kia Vihiga United kiaro-ini kia Mumias Complex ona thengia ya muthaki Nicholas Kipkirui kuheo kadi ndune. Muthiana ya nyumba ya mishemanio ya KICC ni mathundurite tafarira ya kutana KICC na World Cup irita njira ya kurehe muingi hamwe kwirorera bitika cia gikombe kia World Cup na iria ikahurwo mwaki muthi wa kana. Riu mashabiki mari na mweke wa kwirorera ngucanio ciothe kwanjiriria muthi wa kana kiumia giki.
And the fact that KICC is an iconic building, it's no better place than to have this World Cup for the next month here. So I, and on behalf of myself, the management and the board of directors, are extremely happy when we were approached with this idea. We didn't take long to finalize and lock it in. And also just the sheer excitement that for 1 month, you know, after work, people will be able to leave their offices, come here in a secure, safe and happy and soccer-filled environment and come and watch the match or whatever.
Girifotera Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Dogo.